Good afternoon, Harrison. I'm Chef Shane.
And I'm Chef Justin.
And today we're making chili cheese dogs. First, we'll start off with the cheese. You need about a half of the block of cheese. We've already pre-cut it.
And then while he's doing that, I will get the coney sauce ready. The chili sauce needs 2 whole cans into a bowl by itself.
Alright, after you got all that done, you add your milk to your cheese.
There you go.
A half cup of milk. Alright, once you got everything added, then you put in the cheese for 2-minute intervals until it's melted.
And the chili sauce for 2 minutes total. I think we're about done. There we go.
Yeah. One more thing left to do, and that's make the hot dogs. How long do you think we should microwave this for, Chef Davis?
About 4 minutes.
4 minutes?
Yeah, about 4. 3.5 to 4 minutes in the microwave should be good. Just make sure you submerge them in water.
And this wouldn't be normal cooking without the hot sauce.
That is true. Would you like? It was actually pretty good. Good job, Chef Shane. Good too, Chef Justin. Alright, well, there's
It's
your
probably the best.
coney dogs.
Probably the best we've made ever.
Well, Harrison, those are your coney cheese dogs. Pretty good. Well, have a good day.
See you later, Harrison.